controls our antennas running along the outside of the screen. To remove this display, we have 4 screws moving around the outside, and we will just undo those. We're going to take our display cable, slowly undo the adhesive. We'll run this along the edge, slowly moving it out of the grooves. Looks like this is a jumper cable to our webcam. But now the display itself, with these 2 little metal pins right here, should lift up and out of place. Move that just to the side so we can deal with this little daughter board up here. We will very carefully remove this tiny piece of plastic adhesive flashing. Like so, and we should be able to work that cable out very, very gently. We are near this glass display, so